everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got something in the mail today that I'm really excited about. I've ordered it like half a year ago or something, and it is this box over here. It's the Hermitcraft TCG game. It's made by VintageBeef, and I've been following Hermitcraft and the game, and I just love everything about it, so I had to have my own game. So here it is, and of course when it came in I couldn't wait to open it, so I already did that, but I'm going to show you everything that I got, and I hope you like it. So let me put my tea out of the way. My cat is also here to join us. Hey kitty! I'm gonna flip my camera around real quick, and then I'm going to show you the cards. That was the cat. I can't guarantee he won't walk in the frame, but he's probably also very interested in all these cards. So, apparently on this side there's a line to open the box, but I didn't see that. And also it just opened really easily on the side, so there we go. So as I said, I already unpacked everything and looked at all the cards. Very excited. So I ordered the TCG starter deck and a booster box, and I got this card here. Look, they all get numbered, the special collector's editions, and I got the number 1, but I'll show you at the end who I got. So first off, let's open this beautiful box over here. Everything looks so high quality, by the way. It's so beautiful. Really well done by CreoCards. So first of all, we have the game board that you can play on. You can put your Hermits and effect cards and the item cards on. I'll just leave this here as a nice background. It comes with instructions on how to play, and the strengths and weaknesses overview. A nice card from Creo and a sticker. Very nice. Then here's the inside of the box. Again, it looks really nice. At first I thought, oh, I got a free coin, but of course we need this to flip heads or tails every once in a while. But the coin is so beautiful, and it's very heavy as well. So it feels really good to hold. Wow. And it comes with the health cards for your Hermits and a dry erase marker. And then the blocks for slime blocks and just for poison and burning. Poison and burning effects. And here's the starter deck. So I've kept all these together in here, so I wouldn't forget which ones I got in my starter deck. So to start off, I got Doc M. All the art is so gorgeous, by the way. Well done on all the artists. Got Tango. And then I put the item cards with the respective types. Ooh, look at this. We got a nice ZF here. Got Tangled. XB Crafted. Jevin. And Joe Hills. For the explorers, I think. Lots of item cards. Then we got Corrales. No. Gemini Tay. One of my favorite Hermits. Actually, I started watching Hermitcraft because of her. I found her videos and then stumbled upon Hermitcraft and never stopped watching since. So that's really fun to have a card of her. And the items. Then the effect cards I got are an Iron Sword, a bow, a splash potion, a splash poison potion. Wow, that's a tongue twister. A water bucket, a lead, a composter, and flint and steel. So that's my starter deck. As you can see, it's Has Hermits of 3 different types and item cards to go with it. And all in all, this looks like this is just a really beautiful set, and I'm really happy with it. So let's put that to the side and start with my booster box. After a sip of tea, of course. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold, so my voice keeps annoying me. So all the cards come in different, so this has 8 booster packs with 54 cards in total. So I already unpacked them. You got the booster packs, 2 booster packs, 2 hermit packs, and 2 item packs and 2 effect packs. Also really beautiful bags in general. So I got my effect cards here. Shield, 2 shields actually, iron armor, magmatite armor. I don't remember that from the online game on the server, but maybe this is a special one for the actual game. Totem of Revival, which looks really fun. Water bucket, a diamond sword, a crossbow, an iron sword, a bow, a cat, it's not in here but just walk past, an invisibility potion, splash healing potion, lead, another lead, 2 composters, a chest, 2 chests, 2 elven cookies, flint and steel, and a book of binding. Oh nice, the cat just went into his own box. He's like, you're unboxing, I'll go in the box. So then I got my Hermits over here. Hold on. I got a lot of the same type, actually. Got a lot of builders here. But first let me start with Good Times with Scar. Scar and Jelly, of course. Jelly's on there, look. Hi Jelly. It's a really beautiful drawing as well. Nice artwork. And I got some items for him. Oh, glare, there we go. Save these for last because they contain a really cool card. I've got TFC. This is the only one. This is minor, I think. Not sure, but it's the only one I got from this. Another Tango. So that's nice for in my deck, probably. I got a rare Stress. YOLO! I love you, Stress. You're so fun. I'm glad to see you back on Hermitcraft, by the way. YOLO! It's too bad this is the only trickster I've got, so I can't make a deck with it, but still. Then I got 2 Rendogs. Outrageous. Cup Fan. VintageBeef. Hi Beef, I love your game. Well done. XP crafted. Oh yeah. And a nice special cup fan. And some item cards. Also some extras of these. I don't have any hermits with this type, so won't be able to use them. And then I got a lot more builders, so I got another gem. Got 2 stress monsters. Hello Giza. Just love the way she talks as well. B-dubs. Green. Wells Knight. Wow. And then I got this Wren coming at me. Wow. And one from False, and look, it's signed. I love that. Thank you for signing it, False. I'm glad I got one. So that's from the booster packs I got. And then, last but not least, I got this baby here. So at first I was a bit confused because I thought, wait a minute. This is kind of special, isn't it? So it's the first out of 500 of someone's card, but who would it be? I love the backs of these boxes as well, by the way. Look. All the Hermits are on there, and the artist as well. And look, it's your boy Jevin. Wow, and it's signed as well. So that's a really special one. First out of 500. I'm really happy with that. I'll cherish it forever. So, all in all, it was totally worth the wait for all of this. And I hope I'll get the chance to play this at some point with someone. But even if I can't, it's still really nice to have. And I hope that all of you out there also got your TCG game boxes and really enjoy them. And once again, VintageBeef, so well done. I love that this has become an actual card game. I loved following your process of creating the game in Minecraft, and I'm just so proud of you. And also, thank you to all the Hermits that collaborated on this and helped sign all these cards, because it must have been a lot of work. And, well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not my usual content, but I was just so happy with this box that I know that the online community is very happy about this, and no one in my direct vicinity knows about all of this. So I thought, let's just share with the online world, because you know what I'm talking about. And I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing video. And, well, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.